Now let's prepare data for donut chart. So what I want in this chart is when I make any changes in this timeline, I want this chart to show the data for that particular month. When I'm clicking Feb, with the change in the pivot table, I want it to show me the same data as it's showing in the pivot table. So I have to connect this cell with the cells in pivot table. When I click March, I want it to show here March 2018, actual for March, target for March, difference, and the comment whether the target has been achieved or not. When I click April, I want it to show the data for the month of April for year 2018. So how to do that? See, when I'm changing the timeline, when I'm changing my selection in timeline, you see this cell J4. When I'm clicking Feb, it's moving to Feb. When I'm clicking March, so this cell is changing with my selection in timeline. So I need to connect this cell with J4. I'll do the same with for the plant call year 2018. Now I also want my year to be dynamic. When I move to 2019, it should show me 2019. So let's go back to timeline. When I'm clicking in Feb 2019, this cell J3 changes from 2018 to 2019. When I'm clicking again 2018 December, it changed to 2018. So let's connect this one with J3. I'll do the same thing with for the plant code. Okay, let's move on to actual. I'll do the same with actual. So this is the actual for Delhi. This is the actual for coal. Target is same throughout both the year. So we'll do this. Now let's see how it's responding to my timeline. See, when I'm clicking Feb, my month and year, my month has changed. My year is also changing, but I can't say the same thing about actual and target. So what's the issue here? The issue is with the get pivot data formula. When you see this formula here, 2018, year 2018 and month 1 is fixed. When I click Feb, it should become month 2, year 2018. When I click 2019 Feb, it should show month 2, years 2019, but it's not doing it here. So how to make it dynamic? I want it to change with the change in the timeline. How to make it dynamic? We'll do the same thing. We'll connect this year 2018 with J3 because I know when I click 2019 this cell is going to change. I'll make the same changes for month with J4. Let's see. See how it changed to 78, 100. Now it's changing. It's not showing any error. I'll do the same thing here. Connect it to J3, month to J4. Since the target doesn't change, I'll just make it 100. So now when I'm moving to Feb, it's changing. March, it's showing the correct data. April, correct data. Okay. Now let's go to difference. target minus actual, target minus actual. In the comment section, I want to show if the target has not been met, it should show target not achieved. If the target has been met, it should show target achieved. How to do that? With the help of if function. If this is more than 0, then show me target not achieved, or show me target achieved. Let's see. So it's showing me target not achieved. Let's move to different month. Target not achieved because there's a difference of 22 March. Now the actual and the target is same, so the comment is showing target achieved. So let's decode this if function. What I'm saying is if this cell is more than 0, that means clearly it has difference, then you give me target not achieved, or if not, give me target achieved. If it has 0, then give me target achieved. If it is more than 0, give me target not achieved. I'll do the same thing here. If this is more than 0, give me target not achieved, or give me target achieved. And since it's a text, target not achieved and target achieved, it has to be in quotation mark. So now when I'm moving from Jan to Feb, it's showing target not achieved for both the plans. March, target achieved for both the plans. Target not achieved for both the plans. Target not achieved for Delhi and target achieved for Call. Now that my data is ready, let's add a donut chart. Go to Insert, click this one, click Donut. Remove this one, remove Legends. Format data points. Go to Fill option and change the color from here. Let's do this. For this one, change it to lighter shade. Looks better. Let's remove the border. No line. Okay, looks better now. Let's move to this. Let's change the angle slice. Make it to this looks better. I think this looks better now. Yes. If you want to increase the donut hole size or decrease it, you need to click this option. 54% is too much. Let's move it to 75. think 72% looks good. Okay. I also want this donut chart to show me whether the target has been achieved or not. So how to do that? We can insert a text box, but if you want the text box to move with the donut chart, suppose you want to move your donut chart from one place to another. If you want the text box also to move it with the donut chart, then you need to do this. Click inside the donut chart, go to insert text box. Now go to formula bar for Delhi. This is the comment. Increase the size. This looks better. Make it bold. Add one more text box for the percentage. Click here, insert shapes, then text box. Okay, go to formula bar, equal to, okay, this should be the percentage. Let me put percentage first. That should be this one divided by 100. It shows 78%. Same, I'll do it here, divided by 100, 81%. So now this one, let's change the placement, increase the size. I think this looks better. Let's make this bolder, the better. Let's move it a bit down. Let's see how it's looking. Not bad. Now let's see how it's responding to my timeline. Okay, I need to increase the size of text box. Okay, looks better. Let's go back to format data series. Let's go to fill option. In border, no line. Looks better now. April, 97% not achieved. 97%, 100% target achieved. 78% not achieved. Looks better now. Now that the donut chart is almost done, let's add a chart title. Click here, go to chart design, go to add chart elements, chart title, click this one. Let's move it here. Go to formula bar. Let's do this. Let's connect this cell with J30. Now go to home, make it bold, increase the size. Let's place it here. Okay, looks good now. January 2018, 87% has been done and target has not been achieved. Feb, 78%, target not achieved for the planned Delhi. March, 100%, target achieved. So this is how you make a dynamic donut chart which changes with the change in the data.